Hey Tesla fam, it's Mike Seuss, and if you're a proud Tesla owner or thinking of becoming one, today's video is essential. We're diving deep into Tesla's warranties and repairs, covering what's included, common issues you might encounter, and what to expect in terms of out-of-pocket costs. Tesla ownership comes with incredible perks, but understanding your warranty and repair options is crucial to ensure a smooth experience. Whether you're driving a Tesla Model 3, Model Y, Model S, or Model X, or you're considering getting a Cybertruck, we've got you covered. This video is sponsored by TeslaNeckPillows.com, offering premium Tesla neck pillows for superior comfort by enhancing posture and style. I'll tell you more about it later, but for now, let's get started. Tesla's warranty coverage is one of the best in the EV industry, designed to provide peace of mind for new owners. Let's break it down by type of coverage and what's included. For new vehicle limited warranty, the duration is 4 years or 50,000 miles, whichever comes first. What's covered? Repairs for defects in materials or workmanship for most parts, including the touchscreen, steering, and suspension. Let's say your touchscreen suddenly freezes or starts flickering during regular use. Under the new vehicle limited warranty, Tesla would repair or replace it at no cost to you. For the battery and drive unit warranty, the duration varies by model. For Model S and X, it's 8 years or 150,000 miles, with a minimum 70% retention of battery capacity. For Model 3 and Y, 8 years or 120,000 miles for the standard range or 150,000 miles for the long range and performance models. This warranty ensures that your battery and drive unit, two of the most expensive components, are covered for an extended period. Tesla's batteries are built to last, but knowing this coverage is there can ease concerns. For the Supplemental Restraint System or SRS limited warranty, the duration is 5 years or 60,000 miles. What's covered? Repairs related to airbags, seatbelts, and other restraint systems. Pro tip, keep track of your mileage and warranty expiration dates. Tesla's mobile app provides easy access to your warranty status and service history. Even with Tesla's advanced technology and high-quality engineering, no car is perfect. Here are some of the most common issues Tesla owners face and how the warranty addresses them. Tesla's touchscreen is the heart of the car, controlling everything from navigation to climate settings. Common issues include freezing or lagging screens, and yellow banding around the display edges, a problem in earlier models. These problems are generally covered under the new vehicle limited warranty. Tesla has even offered courtesy replacements for known issues like the yellow banding in older displays. Some Tesla owners, particularly those with Model S and X, have reported suspension issues such as premature wear on control arm components. Tesla's warranty typically covers these repairs, though there have been cases where out-of-pocket costs applied for wear and tear items. Minor paint imperfections or trim misalignments have been reported, especially in early production models. Tesla will fix these under warranty if reported promptly after delivery. Pro tip, inspect your Tesla thoroughly at delivery, document any issues and report them immediately to ensure they're covered under the initial warranty. I made a full video with a downloadable checklist here. While Tesla's batteries are designed to retain at least 70% of their capacity during the warranty period, degradation can vary depending on usage and climate. For example, if your battery's range significantly drops below expectations during the warranty period, Tesla will either repair or replace the battery pack. While Tesla's warranty covers a wide range of repairs, there are instances where owners may need to cover costs themselves. Here's a detailed breakdown of common out-of-pocket expenses. Once your warranty expires, repair costs can add up quickly. Here are some typical repairs and their estimated costs. A touchscreen replacement will cost $1,500 to $2,000. A battery replacement will cost $10,000 to $15,000, which is rare but possible outside of warranty. A drive unit replacement will cost $5,000 to $7,000, and suspension repairs cost $1,000 to $2,500 depending on the extent of the damage. Tesla vehicles are known for their high-performance tires, but these can wear out faster than traditional tires. Owners often report costs of a tire replacement at $200 to $400 per tire, and a wheel alignment or repair at $150 to $300. Pro tip, consider investing in a tire and wheel protection plan if you frequently drive on rough roads or live in areas with potholes. Unlike traditional cars, Teslas require minimal maintenance. However, some services still come with costs, like brake fluid replacement, which is $100 to $200 every 2 years. Air conditioning service, which is $200 to $500 every 2 and 6 years, depending on the model. And the HEPA filter replacement for models S and X, which is $250 to $400. Tesla-approved body shops handle most collision repairs. While insurance may cover the bulk of these costs, here are some typical out-of-pocket expenses. Bumper replacement, $1,000 to $3,000, and panel replacement and repainting, which is $1,500 to $5,000. For minor repairs, Tesla offers mobile service where technicians come directly to your location. While warranty-covered repairs are free, out-of-warranty mobile services typically include a service fee ranging from $50 to $200 plus repair costs. Some owners opt for third-party EV repair shops to save money. These shops often charge less for labor and parts, but may lack access to Tesla's proprietary software and diagnostics. It's essential to weigh the pros and cons before deciding. Speaking of repairs and cost, one of the best investments you can make for yourself is ensuring your comfort during every drive. Whether you're on a road trip or just commuting, let's talk about our sponsor, Tesla Neck Pillows. The Tesla Neck Pillows are my favorite accessory because they elevate your driving experience by combining style, comfort, and health benefits. They're made for every Tesla model and come in 3 colors that perfectly match your interiors. Whether you're short or tall, you can adjust the firmness and the height of the pillow to provide consistent support for your neck, back, and shoulders. Don't just take my word for it. They have hundreds of 5-star reviews from Tesla owners just like you. The shipping is free and they come with a 14-day guarantee. But because you're watching my video, I can give you an additional 15% off. Just use my code MS15 at teslaneckpillows.com. To better understand Tesla's warranty and repair process, let's dive into some real-world examples. These stories showcase common issues and how Tesla owners have navigated repairs. Scenario 1, one Model 3 owner noticed persistent freezing and lagging on their touchscreen just after their warranty expired. The estimated cost for a replacement was around $1,500. However, by contacting Tesla support, they discovered a goodwill program for specific known issues, and Tesla covered 50% of the cost. Always check if Tesla has issued service bulletins or goodwill policies for your specific repair. Even out of warranty, Tesla sometimes covers partial costs for known issues. Scenario 2, another owner of a Model S reported significant range loss, with their battery holding only 65% of its original capacity after 7 years. Since this fell below the 70% threshold outlined in Tesla's battery warranty, Tesla replaced the battery pack at no cost. Monitor your battery's range regularly. If you suspect unusual degradation, document your findings and schedule a service appointment to address the issue. Scenario 3. A Model Y owner discovered paint peeling near the rear wheel well within a few months of delivery. Tesla's service center repaired the paint under the new vehicle limited warranty after confirming it was a defect rather than wear and tear. Pro tip: inspect your Tesla carefully during delivery and document any defects immediately. Early reporting increases the likelihood of warranty coverage. While some repairs are inevitable, there are steps you can take to minimize costs and prolong the life of your Tesla. Schedule regular inspections to catch minor issues before they become major repairs. For example, check tire pressure monthly to prevent uneven wear. And inspect your suspension components periodically, especially if you frequently drive on rough roads. Third-party extended warranties can cover major repairs once Tesla's factory warranty expires. Compare options carefully to find the best coverage for your needs. Some minor repairs, like replacing cabin air filters or windshield wipers, can be done at home with the right tools. Tesla provides detailed instructions in the app and on its website for these tasks. For example, replacing a cabin air filter yourself can cost as little as $50 compared to $150, $200 at a service center. And that's the complete guide to Tesla warranties and repairs. From understanding your warranty coverage to navigating out-of-pocket costs, we've covered everything you need to know to keep your Tesla in tip-top shape. Remember, stay proactive with maintenance to avoid costly repairs. Monitor your warranty status through the Tesla app and take advantage of Tesla's goodwill policies and service bulletins whenever possible. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel for more Tesla content like this video. And let me know in the comments about your Tesla repair experiences, what worked, what didn't, and any tips you'd like to share with the community. Thanks for watching. Until next time, peace.